Hi dearest, today we're going to be learning how to make this lovely lace fascinator. So sit back and let's get learning. Okay, so here I'm making use of my fascinator base that was molded using princess mats, as I've shown you before. If you don't know how to mold with princess mats, you can check the description, the link will be there. Then also I have already covered it with my doll face, but the best would be to do what I'm doing now first before you cover with your doll face. So anyway, let me tell you what I'm doing now. I'm sewing my elastic band to the fascinator base, and now making use of fishing line so that it's not visible, but to also further ensure that it's not visible on the top part, I'm taking it close to the thread when I bring it out. So keep watching and learning. Once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is cover it with your lace. So keep watching and learning how to cover your fascinator base after you've covered with the doll face with lace. And you know you can do this with any material at all, Ankara, bridal satin, whatever material, you can make use of doing that. So we've allowed it to dry after using our glue to put the lace. The next thing you want to do is to cut out the excess. Okay, so you're going to be cutting it all the way around. After that, you take your bias and your uhu gum and glue your bias all around the trimmings so that it looks lovely. did that, what I did was I saw some patterns in my lace that would form a lovely thing. That's what you see on top. So I cut out that pattern. Now you can cut out any pattern at all to make use of that. Just be creative. Make sure your creative cap is put on. So I'm cutting that piece right now. Then I take a hat wire. Now this is the bronze hat wire, the one that is 1.2mm gauge, and I put it on the material that I've cut out, on the lace pattern that I've cut out, to know the length. Now you cut it a little bit, like an inch less than the size you want to use. So after I did that, what I did was to use the bias, because I don't want, of course, you seeing the hat wire inside. So I used the bias to cover up the hat wire, just using a loop, just going all the way around. After I did that, I used my uhu gum, placed that pattern underneath. I actually cut out two pieces of the same pattern, ensuring that they are all going to be able to fit on each other, front and back, so it looks like one piece. Do you understand? And so I glued one on the bottom of the hat wire, turned the hat wire the other way, and glued it. After that was done, I placed it on my my heart and bent it to form the shape that I wanted. And used my fishing line to sew it to the hat like so. Keep watching and learning. Once that was done, I cut out another lovely pattern that I felt would give the pattern I just placed on top of the Fascinator base a lift, and I used glue and glued that also. That was done, I took some stones that fell off from the material itself and put them on just that leaf that was going that way. And that's how I formed this lovely, gorgeous lace fascinator. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about this fascinator, and if you gained value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me also know what is the new thing you learned from this video. Also proceed to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And before you go, check out this next video on the fascinator I made with the same lace.